Hey guys, welcome to the Knowledgist. Before the video starts, I wanted to give you guys some context because I'm not sure that the video is really going to make sense without this. Yeah, so basically, my English teacher started a competition where everyone in my class had to submit a creative project about something to do with essays like capitalization rules or apostrophe usage. She said after all of the submissions came in, she would pick some of the ones that she liked, then all of my classes would have to vote and eventually someone would win. I decided to make my own project on CAAPES Sentences. CAAPES sentences are basically some sentences that are really great in writing, but don't worry, you'll learn more about them in the actual video. So my teacher said that you could make the project like a rap or a song or an infomercial type thing. I decided to make an infomercial because it involves making a video, and because of this channel I already have some experience editing, and that would help in making my submission look better. I did think about making a song because, I can play guitar, but saying that my singing is tolerable would be an overstatement. So I just stuck to making a video and made a commercial/infomercial that would try and persuade people to use CAAPES sentences. Anyway, thanks to my teacher for this opportunity, and here's the video.
Are you failing your GT English class? Are you particularly paranoid in pursuance of the puzzlingly perplexing writing STAR test? Does your teacher hate having to grade your horribly hideous half-hearted scribblings? You need CAAPES Sentences. C-A-A-P-E-S. CAAPES! Each letter stands for a type of sentence pattern that will blow your teacher away. The first one stands for colon. This sentence has a colon in the middle of it. This is my example. Larry was on the path to have something even greater. A career that didn't fall short of his dreams.
You can fabricate one of these colon sentences by combining two different sentences. Larry was on the path to having something greater, and Larry was going to have a career that didn't fall short of his dreams. Put a colon in the middle, round out the corners, and now you sharpened your subpar sentence into a superior sentence.
The next A in CAAPES stands for awubis. So this is actually a pretty simple one. So basically what you want to do is, you want to get one of these words, these are awubis words, and you want to make a sentence fragment. Now get a related simple sentence. So you want to get the sentence fragment, a comma, the simple sentence, and voila! Here's an example. As Jeremy sleeps, its cat is slowly plotting its revenge. It may be uncomplicated, but it's going to catapult your grades into the sky. The next sentence pattern in CAAPES is called an appositive. So take a boring and unglamorous sentence like, Timmy doesn't like dogs, and add some more information about Timmy. Timmy, add a comma, the horrible xenophobic demon child, add a comma, hates dogs. By zooming in and focusing, you really can make your essay much better. You can bump your essay grade a bit with CAAPES sentences. Our next CAAPES sentence type is called a prepositional phrase opener. Take a simple sentence like, many false locations have been added to maps. Now use a preposition word like in, over, or under, and make a prepositional phrase. This is my prepositional phrase example. In pursuit of prosecuting plagiarism. So now what you want to do is, you want to add a comma, then add the rest of the sentence. In pursuit of prosecuting plagiarism, many false locations have been added to maps. Using prepositional phrases can really elevate your writing and help you convey information more elegantly. But that's not all, folks. We still have two more CAAPES letters. Our next letter stands for participle. So in order to fabricate this type of sentence pattern, you need to first make a short sentence like, she was a fighter, he was a coward, they were strong. And then what you need to do is you need to get a word with ing. So like standing or something like that. So what you want to do next is give more information about your subject. This is my example. They were fighters, standing up for the disadvantaged people of their community, who often only scraped by. CAAPES sentences can really help your essay stand out, but that's not all, folks. We still have one letter left. Short sentences. These sentences are small. These can actually be quite potent. Here's an example. She spoke, she listened, she understood. But most importantly, she empathized with the people's problems and helped fix the issues that plagued her community. This sentence type can work really great in threes, so remember that whenever you include short sentences in your writing. With these 6 flavors of superior sentences, you can pass your English class, do well on your writing STAR, and keep your teacher from being dumbfounded by how horrible your writing is. Use CAAPES!